Kia ora. For this week I've got a couple of phrases for you which match each other and which you can learn to interweave with other words as well. So this one is Katia te keti, and Katia te keti means close the gate. Close the gate, Katia te keti. And then Huakina te keti. Huakina te keti is one of the ways you can say open the gate. So if you also want to add other things like window and door, matapihi is window and door is kuaha. So you could say Katia te kuaha, close the door. Huakina te kuaha, open the door. Katia te matapihi, close the window. Huakina te matapihi, open the window. So, whatever you can open and close, you can use those two words. Ka kite.